Hello, welcome back guys to tuotrial channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to turn off fingerprint on Motorola G06 Power. Before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button below to support this channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well, yeah, first thing first, here I'm going to show you first that my lock screen is use a fingerprint, yeah, guys, to open it. So if you want to turn it off, you just have to go to the settings first, and now you just have to scroll it down and find this security and privacy options. To turn it off, you just have to go to this device unlock. Now go to the fingerprints options. Here you just have to confirm by the backup lock screen. Here I use the pattern one, and after here the finger one, which is the fingerprint that I was add to this one. To turn it off, you just have to remove it. Tap on this trash icon and now tap on the delete options. Now the fingerprint is already deleted, yeah guys. So if we going to open this phone again, we also have to lock with the pattern one, which is the lock screen backup from the fingerprint. And yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your likes and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.